Well, nothing worse than splashback when you're in the dental chair, especially during a pandemic. But now a graduate of the OSU Dental School has invented something that keeps patients and practitioners safe and dry. Here's Caroline Cohen.
And it allows me to still freely move, get instruments passed to me.
Dr. Micah Nuzum has been an endodontist for more than 10 years, but even he was unsure of what the COVID-19 pandemic would mean in terms of safety.
As my gut just dropped, oh my goodness, how are we going to do this?
While Dr. Nuzum and his staff can wear masks and proper PPE, the patient doesn't have that luxury. So he got creative and made the Shieldont.
You know, the shield slides in. The domino just locks into the back. The halo goes on, snaps in.
It's a microscope shield that blocks him and patients from what he calls splashback.
It's not just a COVID thing. Like I said before, I've been getting stuff in my face for a decade.
Since creating the shield, Dr. Nuzum wanted to give back. So he's provided the current OSU Endodontics residency program with shields as well.
It can be designed to fit the individual, such that it comes around the shoulders and the chest.
The shield eliminates fogging of the glasses and provides a clear visual field for procedures.
I used to have to put something between my eyes here to protect my face. Now I can just go up to the microscope binoculars.
Shieldont can be put on in a matter of minutes and taken off to adjust and clean just as quickly. Dr. Nuzum says he's still tweaking the design and materials to get the best shield possible, but he hopes to see it in other residency programs across the country. Reporting in Columbus, Caroline Cohen, ABC 6 News.